Words are not enough to describe the relationship between Lord Shiva and Lord Vishnu. The bond between Lord Shiva and Lord Vishnu is so strong that they cannot live without each other. The Puranas describe that Vishnu meditates on Shiva, while Shiva meditates on Vishnu. The unity of Vishnu and Shiva has become increasingly popular as Hari-Hara, which combines the two deities, Vishnu and Shiva, into a single body. Vishnu is the heart of Shiva, and Shiva is the heart of Vishnu. After all, Vishnu and Shiva are two sides of the same coin. In Hinduism, it is said that when the universe is in a state of equilibrium, Vishnu presides over the preservation of the universe, while Shiva is in a deep state of meditation and withdrawal. However, when the universe is in a state of imbalance, and evil threatens to overpower good, Shiva awakens from his meditative state and engages in destructive activity to restore balance. At the same time, Vishnu incarnates to restore order. Together, Shiva and Vishnu are considered to be the forces that maintain the balance of the universe. Their relationship is often depicted in Hindu art and literature as one of mutual respect and support. A story depicting Vishnu's devotion to Shiva, taken from the Shiva Purana. Long ago, the Asuras, demons, often defeated the Devas, gods. The guru of the Asuras, Shukrakarya, knew the art of reviving the dead through his knowledge of Sanjeevani, a life-restoring mantra. This meant that when the Asuras were killed, they would come back to life, but the Devas didn't possess such knowledge. Ruthless in their victories, the Asuras began to defeat and mercilessly torture the Devas in Swarga, heaven. The Devas, no match for the Asuras, prayed to Lord Vishnu to save them. However, Vishnu expressed that the only solution was to approach Lord Shiva and invite him to help. The Devas, recognizing the close friendship between Vishnu and Shiva, insisted that Vishnu go alone. Vishnu went to Shiva on different occasions to ask for his help. The Trimurti Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva would sometimes declare one of the others as the supreme god. Sometimes Shiva, sometimes Vishnu, and other times Brahma. This time, Vishnu sought to demonstrate Shiva's supremacy, acknowledging Shiva's unparalleled spiritual and occult powers, including the devastating potential of his third eye. When Vishnu arrived, he found Shiva in a state of deep transcendental meditation. Not wanting to interrupt Shiva's trance, Vishnu patiently waited for hundreds of years, yet Shiva remained unmoved. To gain Shiva's favor, Vishnu decided to offer 1,000 fully bloomed blue lotuses to Shiva every day for many years. Despite his unwavering devotion, Shiva did not respond. One day, Shiva decided to test Vishnu's dedication. In a subtle form, Shiva secretly stole one of the lotuses, reducing the count to 999. Unaware of the missing flower, Vishnu began his worship, offering each flower with deep reverence. At the end, he discovered that he was one lotus short. Sorrow filled his heart, but after searching for the missing flower, Vishnu reached a profound conclusion. Since Vishnu is also known as Kamal Nayana, the lotus-eyed one, in a final act of devotion, he plucked out his left eye, which transformed into a beautiful lotus, and offered it to Shiva. Deeply moved by this ultimate sacrifice, Shiva appeared before Vishnu, touched by his devotion. Shiva then bestowed upon Vishnu the Sudharshan chakra, a powerful disc capable of destroying any enemy, originally belonging to Shiva. Vishnu accepted the Sudharshan chakra with great reverence. Later, Vishnu passed the chakra to the Devas, who used it against the Asuras, leading to their victory. Afterward, the Devas returned the chakra to Vishnu, who asked Shiva if he wished to reclaim it. However, Shiva, known for his generosity, stated that once he gave something, it would never be taken back, granting Vishnu eternal use of the weapon. Vishnu continued to wield the Sudharshan chakra, and when he incarnated as Sri Krishna on earth, he used it with unmatched effectiveness. None could withstand the power of the chakra, a symbol of Vishnu's divine might, originally a gift from Shiva. A similar story of sacrifice by Gorakshanath. A similar story concerns Gorakshanath, a disciple of the great guru Matsyendranath. One day, Matsyendranath desired a specific delicious meal that had been served by a rich lady the previous day. He sent Gorakshanath to procure it. When Gorakshanath approached the lady, she informed him that the feast was over and could not be repeated. Frustrated, the lady, testing Gorakshanath's devotion, demanded one of his eyes in exchange for the meal. Without hesitation, Gorakshanath removed one of his eyes and presented it to the lady. Moved by his sacrifice, she immediately prepared the meal and sent it with Gorakshanath to his guru. Matsyendranath, shocked to see his disciple with only one eye, questioned him about it. Gorakshanath explained the situation, revealing that he had gladly given up his eye to fulfill his guru's request. Matsyendranath then asked if Gorakshanath would willingly offer his other eye as well. Without hesitation, Gorakshanath removed his remaining eye and gave it to his master. Deeply moved by this act, Matsyendranath used his occult powers to restore both of Gorakshanath's eyes after enjoying the meal. These stories illustrate the immense sacrifices made by both Vishnu and Gorakshanath and the profound blessings they receive from their masters. True sacrifices are never in vain. They are rewarded by the divine in many ways, strengthening one's inner power and deepening one's surrender to the divine will.